If you're wondering how to create approval workflows in Process.st, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the steps to set up an approval workflow in Process.st, so you can streamline your approval processes and make your team more efficient. Stick around till the end, because we've got a special extended free trial offer for you just for watching. So let's get started with the basics. Process.st is a powerful workflow management tool that helps businesses automate and streamline their processes. One of the best features of this platform is its ability to create custom workflows, including approval workflows. Approval workflows allow you to set up processes where certain tasks require review or sign-off before proceeding, ensuring that nothing is missed and everything is up to standard. To begin, start by creating a new template or opening an existing one. You can find templates for almost anything in Process.st, but for this example, we'll create one from scratch. When you're ready, click on Create New Template to start building your approval workflow. The first step in creating your approval workflow is to set up the tasks that need approval. These are the tasks that will require a manager or decision maker to review before the workflow continues. For example, you might have a task called Review Draft or Approve Budget. Once you've added the tasks, you'll move on to setting up the approval process. Process.st allows you to easily add approval steps to any task. To do this, click on the task you want to turn into an approval point and select the Approval button. From here, you'll be able to add specific approvers. These are the people who need to review and approve the task before moving forward. You can assign approvers by adding them to the task directly or using a dynamic approver field, which allows you to assign approval to specific roles or people within the workflow. Next, you'll want to configure the approval conditions. You can choose from several different options here. For example, you can require approval to be either approved or rejected and specify the next steps based on the outcome. If the task is approved, the workflow will continue. If it's rejected, you can have it loop back for revisions or trigger a notification for further action. This is where Process.st's flexibility shines. It lets you define how the workflow should progress based on the outcome of each approval. Once the approval step is configured, you can customize the workflow further by adding conditional logic, deadlines, or automated notifications. This ensures that everyone involved in the workflow stays updated and that nothing slips through the cracks. You can set reminders for approvers to keep things on track, or you can even automate follow-up actions if a task is taking too long to be approved. With everything set up, all that's left is to test the workflow. Process.st makes it easy to run a test of your new approval workflow before putting it into full use. This step is crucial as it allows you to make sure everything works as expected and that your approval process is smooth and efficient. Finally, once you're satisfied with the workflow, you can save and deploy it. You'll be able to assign the workflow to specific team members, and they can start using it right away to streamline approvals, speed up processes, and increase efficiency. Remember, Process.st is a powerful tool that can be used for so much more than just approval workflows. You can automate nearly every aspect of your business processes, from onboarding to invoicing to quality control. The flexibility of Process.st makes it a great choice for businesses of any size. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Process.st completely free, and by clicking the first link in the description below, you can access exclusive bonuses and an extended free trial. That's a great opportunity to explore all the features and see how it can improve your business workflows. In conclusion, creating approval workflows in Process.st is an easy and efficient way to manage approvals in your business. With Process.st, you can automate and streamline the entire process, saving time and reducing errors. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below and get started today.